Sunday. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning right now. Got my guy Jeff back over here again. He's about to wire literally every single thing up for me, all the gauges, the relay for the fan, and what else was it, Jeff? And the boost solenoid, right? Yeah, and the boost solenoid. So literally every single thing that needs to be connected, Jeff's gonna take care of that for me today. I got some stuff to do, so Jeff, I'm gonna try to cover as much as I could before I leave, like in 40 minutes or whatever. But he's about to take care of everything, and then by the time I come back, I'll just let you guys know everything that's been done. But yeah, he's literally gonna take care of every single wire, every single electrical stuff that needs to be done to the car, and literally should be good. I'm about to put oil in the car right now for the first time just to keep it lubricated, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so Jeff right now looking for the hot side of the fuses, where the fuse box is at, because he said that side always gets power, right?
One side of the fuse will get power, and then once you put the fuse, it'll make a closed circuit.
Yeah, so he's doing it the right way. Yeah, so he's gonna do that, and then gonna do the relay for the fan, do everything. So my guy is the best of the best of this, so can't wait for this. Alright, so Jeff already got power to the white band. These two already got power, but he's grounding them off right now, so it's moving super fast. And yeah, this dude is fucking flying. So put the oil in. It's leaking some oil from down there, but I tighten the fitting now. I gotta tighten the fitting, well, tighten the bolt on the oil pan a little bit more, because it's leaking from back there. So I'm gonna have to tighten that a little bit more, and then it should be good. Alright, oil pan is tightened. This guy Jeff is moving super fast. So you already got all the gauges. I can power it up, right?
Yeah.
All the gauges powered up. You guys can see here. Everything is up. This one don't light up because this is a regular mechanical one. Right now he's about to wire up the boost solenoid. Tap it into one of the ECU wires, and all the wiring is done besides the fan relay, and that's it. So hell yeah, this came out pretty good too. Not bad. Alright, so I'm about to head out. I'm just gonna finish. When I come back, I'll show you guys everything that's been done. Alright guys, what's going on? So I'm back. Jeff left a long time ago. I had to go take care of some business. Hopefully you guys will see that. What we've been doing, well, what I've been doing and having to do, been super busy. Hopefully, yeah, within the next few months I get to show you guys. But I'm back. Jeff sent me some videos and stuff like that, so the car's done. Shout out to Jeff. The reason why I didn't end up like doing any of these stuff was again, I've been busy, so it's been really hard for me to get stuff done, and I needed to get stuff done. And last time I was here, Jeff was like, yo, I love doing wiring, like if you want, I'll wire up the whole car for you with no problem. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, man, I've been super busy. I haven't been having like all the time in the world to work on a car, so I said, you know what, I only trust certain people with my car, and I definitely trust Jeff with my car. He's a fucking monster. Like this guy knows what he's doing. This guy did all my gauges and everything literally in 30 minutes. Literally four gauges. He literally wired up 4 gauges and everything, dude, in literally 30 minutes, dude. I was like, holy shit. So yeah, shout out to Jeff again for, you know, for helping me out with everything he's done today. So we'll get right into it. All right. So, one thing he didn't get to do today because he didn't get to bring it was a pin. So you have to bring a pin to pin out the boost solenoid on the ECU. So as you guys can see, the little pod thing I put right here is good. I mean, it has a little bit of play, but I think I think it'll do good. I think it'll be there. Even if it like, you know, if it like vibrates, I don't think it'll come out. So this is the ethanol sensor. This is my boost. Sorry, it's oil pressure. Only thing I have to do, one thing that I also have to do is I have to put the oil sensor on, because I didn't get time to do that either. But those are those two. Obviously, this is my wideband. And this is my boost, right? It was just mechanical, which I like these better than the digital one, because the digital one I don't be trusting. I feel like it doesn't give you the accurate reading that it needs. So they leave the okay. He disconnected the battery. I'm gonna connect the battery to show you guys. All right, so let's go to the trunk. Set the battery up again. This hasn't been fully mounted yet. This is gonna get mounted, but I also have to do this. I'm gonna do this when my dad comes. So again, that's the solenoid. We have to run the I forgot the name of them, but the little like circle clamps that go to this, basically. That go to this. So I can put it onto that same exact bolt. Obviously not this one, but like the ground one. So this is the ground, obviously, and then this is the power. So I need it to basically put it onto this, so we can power the fuel pump, because the solenoid has power now, but the fuel pump doesn't, because obviously it needs this. Yeah, so let me connect this real quick. Okay, boom, it's connected. Let's see, we got power here. All right. Let's see if we can turn the alarm on. Okay, alarm is off. Now, the part that's super fucking exciting. Boom! You guys fucking see that? All the gauges fucking work. Obviously, it's gonna say 0 because there's no 85 in the car right now or anything. I haven't primed, I haven't turned it on, so it's not reading anything. This is not gonna read anything, obviously, because it's not connected to the motor, and obviously the car's not on. So that's what it's at now. Wideband, boom, stays at 14.6. It's not connected to anything. But you guys see that? Fucking gauges is on. Fan, look at this. You hear that shit? Let's go. Jeff is a fucking man, bro. Jeff, probably watching this. I fucking appreciate you, bro. Yo, listen. He came all the way out here to work on my car, bro. And I always, whatever price he gives me, I always up it, because the work is great, bro. And I like to treat people that help me out with, I like to just, you know, treat them right, bro. Like, anybody that does anything for you ever in life, even if it's not working on the car or whatever, always treat them like amazing, bro, because obviously you have to show them some, like, you get just long story short, I appreciate him coming over here and for the amazing work. I wasn't even here. He literally said, yo, I don't mind, I'll do everything for you. The work is amazing, and when I fucking trust somebody and working on my car, that means your work is A1 and it's good, and everything he did was good. So I literally always take care of my guy. Whatever price he gives me, I pay him more all the time. I'm definitely pretty sure that if there's other things that need to be done that I really don't want to like deal with, I just hit him up. He'll come here, take care of me. Listen, Jeff, you the fucking GOAT. If I remember, put his Instagram down below. Hit him up for work. He works at Empire, Morris Tune, and all of that. So, listen, look at this. We chillin'. I'm fucking hype. Listen to this fan, guys. Wire is here. My switch is here. Oh, baby. That fan sounds so good. Sheesh. Yeah, this is about to cool down the shit out of this motor. Oh yeah, we chilling now. You hear that? That's that Spall fan. Sheesh. Bro, this is crazy. I'm trying to see if I could grab this piece of paper. Look at this. Bro. That is a lot of fucking air. I'm about to bring this fan into my house. Bro. Let's fucking go. That is fucking insane. Yeah, guys, you guys seen it. So he literally hooked it up. I was gonna do all of this. Literally, I was gonna do all of this. But I've been so busy with like weekends and stuff that we're trying to get done and future stuff. So, like I said, hopefully in a few months, 2 months from now, whatever, you guys can see everything that's been going on. The background and me and my wife and whatever we've been trying to get done. But shout out to Jeff for coming through, bro, and literally wiring up everything for me. oil is not leaking anymore. So motor actually has oil, as you guys see. Put in some oil. Small stuff I need to do. So I needed to put a fitting here. I was gonna put a push lock fitting here, which I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave the turbo here, right? So I'm gonna run literally just a fitting here, and I'm gonna run it wherever, even if I have to like run it through here or somewhere or whatever. I'm gonna run push lock fitting with the connect. I'm just gonna push lock fitting with the hose all the way to the solenoid, so it can get obviously get pressure. Then obviously from there to the wastegate or whatever. That's easy. It's little stuff. That's what I have to do. Then I have to put another fitting back here, and then run the hose, the vibrant hose I have inside to the boost gauge, which is down there. I'm not gonna do none of that today because I'm already done for the day. Yeah, gotta do that. I have the rethread kit inside the car. I gotta do for this. 1, 2, 3, easy. Yeah, pretty much that's. I mean, is little stuff. You guys remember the catch can lines and everything is done. I just have to tighten them in the bottom. I'm gonna paint the tray that goes here. All it is, as you guys see here, I'm gonna zip tie them all together, so they're gonna be all one like this. And then I haven't put the catch can and nothing here yet because I still have to run the wire from inside, obviously, to the starter. On the alternator, I'm gonna just run it inside the other way. So that's why I haven't really put the catch can in. But if you guys get my drift, the car doesn't really need anything more. Then I can take this to fabrication. Obviously the turbo is tightened. I gotta tighten this down or whatever, but obviously it's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna leave this like this. Cause I'm gonna get I'm gonna do a base map. So what we ended up doing was what we're gonna probably end up doing is, I don't have a back door the intercooler I have. I can't use it for a back door intercooler right now. So what my dude Ben and Joel is gonna do, they're gonna most likely just clock this to where the cold side is probably facing a different way, right? Regardless, they're gonna take care of it. Worst comes to worst, they said they might have to make like a little incision here, like cut some of this out to run piping through, or run it like what we have in mind is running it in the cooler, obviously running it on that side normal, and then through here run it with a with piping already, with pipe cuts already going around into literally right here. But what we have to do is, obviously you have to move the turbo, so I'm going to try to clock the turbo a little bit to where it faces down here, and then we ended up putting it right there. Yeah, so that's like all the fabrication stuff. Obviously it's going to be sent over there, but like I said, motor actually has oil in it already. Antifreeze I'm going to end up getting next week. I'm going to get antifreeze, so I can fill this up with antifreeze because all the holes are already plugged. If you guys remember, I had a Hennessy white bottle. I'm going to put right back here with the holes right here with the overflow. So I got to put that obviously so it doesn't overflow. But right now, shit is looking good, man. Everything is, all the major headache shit is done. So once I do this, whatever, get to turn it on, get a base map. I have this clutch stopper that I think, what is it, Marty Works from JDM or whatever from Florida. He has this pedal stopper that you put on the back of the pedal, and you screw down and you adjust it, and it hits a firewall. So I gotta put that on, but that's after the car cranks up and everything, because I'm gonna end up driving this to break it in on a base map. No piping, no charge pipes, no nothing. I just need a pipe for the hot side, which they're gonna make for me. Probably just facing up. I'm probably gonna end up just driving without a hood, because that would be the best way, because obviously there's like a lot more stuff there. But yeah, listen, I'm ready to go. The car is literally at its final stages right now before fabrication and basically tuning. Yeah, I'm waiting for my friend to also send me out the wires for the battery. But again, we're so close. I know a lot of people don't really click on the videos because the thumbnail is not too like crazy. But I can't drive the car. I can't really do nothing crazy with the thumbnails because the car is just sitting here. So you guys get my drift. But the car's about to be done. Literally about to be done. Next week I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna do like a little small stuff, like I said, that I have to do. Nothing really crazy. Everything needs to be done is easy. Like the back stuff I'm gonna get done most likely next week. Then I'm gonna zip tie, tape everything up together, make it look nice. so it's not like it's out of the way. This is right here where he's plugged everything up for me, as you guys see right here. So I'm gonna grab these two. I'm gonna grab these wires right here. Boom, zip tie them together like that, out of the way. Just little small stuff. All right, so got Matt fucking excited. I have another gas leak. Oh, it's not one thing, it's another. Look at all this fucking gas. So, I'm pretty sure it's coming from down here, which is the feed line. So, something is going on over here. I'm not too sure, but this is the feed line right there. And it's definitely coming out from that. So, I don't know if it needs more tightening or something. But it's definitely leaking from there because all the water, wow. All the gas is wet right there. And it's on that side. And the only way it could come from is from the feed. So, I'm going to try to see real quick where it's coming from. And then next week I'm gonna have to figure that out, kind of fix it, probably loosen that up. And if it gives me a problem, then I'm just gonna have to get the little flare kit. And I throw the flare kit. It's nothing in the world, but always something. Alright, go ahead. Stop. Wait, what the fuck? Guys, I figured out what was the issue. The return line clamp just gave out. I have no idea how. So the return is just shooting out to there. So I put two clamps on the return. I don't know why. I guess every time I was priming, it didn't happen. I guess the clamp gave out from maybe the cold or something. But yeah. So I'm good. I'm gonna do that next week. Get some work done next week as much as I could. Get a little bit of stuff done here and there. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, the car's coming out fucking as faster than I thought. So yeah, will to enjoy, guys. Peace out.